Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Arty and Crafty. Today in this video I'm going to show you this eccentric circles. For that we need quilling strips, needle and glue. So let's start. Make a coil. Just apply glue. Let it dry. Now it's dry. Just take all the circles in the middle and glue it here with a pin or a needle. Just apply a bit glue over its strip so that our quilling is secure. Just hold for a while. So here it is. You can make flowers and many beautiful quilling projects, quilling art with this eccentric circles. I hope you like my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel Arty and Crafty. Thank you for watching.